Hey guys, I wanted to show you guys one of the sketches I recently did on stream. I made it with the help of Portrait Studio. As you can see, I have the reference on the side. The key thing I wanted to reference with Portrait Studio was the overlap of the legs as she's trying to balance on her dragon. That was really the most important thing I wanted to reference. And everything else, mostly the pride in her chest, the lean of her back leg a little bit, the tilt in her ankle, and the shape of the arc of her back. And then of course, with a little help from my viewers, I designed her and I put together her outfit, and they picked what I was gonna add. They picked the pigtails, they picked the goggles, they picked the fact that she's riding a dragon. They picked everything, and I basically built the pose after that. So Portrait Studio is a reference development software. You can build any reference you want with it. And the most important thing is to go in knowing what it is that you want. And using the mannequin really helps me understand what I'm about to draw. Most of the time I'm stabbing in the dark with my sketches. I kind of just let it flow, but that freestyle flow state isn't always successful for me, which is why I've been doing streams where I ask my viewers, what do I draw? I think it takes away the creative pressure from me and helps me, you know, just feel more relaxed. I don't have to design a character. I just have to draw the character and my viewers pick. So Portrait Studio helped me with that a lot because all I had to do was pose it. At the end of the day, there was zero things that I felt pressured with in the process. I felt like I was having fun. So that's really the most important thing about drawing, is to limit the amount of delay, and creative pressure may cause delay. Looking for references causes delay. It 100% causes delay all the time. So that was just taken care of with Portrait Studio, and the mannequin is fully posable. I mean, you can contort it into all kinds of abominations. If you've ever been part of my stream, you can see the kind of things that I've drawn for my viewers and the stuff they've demanded of me during the stream. But one of the things that I really wanted to show you guys is the flipping of the canvas, the zooming out, the main process behind my sketching, which is just really loose underlayment sketch, let's say. And then on top of that, of course, is the clean lines. But the clean lines need to be guided. You can't just be stabbing in the dark with your clean lines. You have to make sure that you have a good, stable foundation of lines that feel free and loose, and when you have your reference on the side, you know what you're about to draw. All the guesswork is taken out. So it's on sale right now on my website, istebrak.com, along with my masterclass, which is a whole other thing. I teach you how to draw from scratch a portrait, and I teach you everything there is to know about rendering, everything that I know about rendering. They're both on sale and will be on sale for a little while. This is the spring sale / summer sale that I tell you guys about. So go over to my website, istebrak.com, to grab your copy. Thank you everyone for your support, for your comments. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Even if you barely watch the video, just like it, leave a comment. It can be a comment about anything. It helps my channel stay alive. It helps my channel send out notifications to everyone. Thank you all, and I'll see you guys next week for Critique Hour. Bye.